The storm was raging, but someone was sleeping. Boat being tossed by waves. Disciples shouting in fear. Jesus peacefully asleep in the boat. While the disciples panicked, they turned to Jesus. "Teacher, don't you care that we're about to die? Why are you afraid? Do you still have no faith?" Jesus stands at the bow of the boat. Wind and rain whipping around him. He raises his hand. "Peace, be still." In a single moment, he silenced the storm, and the disciples look around in awe. What storm in your life can Jesus calm today? Trust him.